Hey, hello everyone. In this class, we are going to learn about again 3D, but in different. This is a 3D lightning because how we adjust a lightning, three-phase lighting, what is three-phase lighting, and how professional lighting looks like. Oh, so let's get started. Understand what is lightning in real life and 3D in After Effects. What I'm saying just now, I don't know. In real life and 3D. Okay, that's fine. Now create a composition, fit up to 100%, and now select object, shape layer, create a shape layer. Why it's behaving like a very weird, I don't know. Hey, what's happening, guys? What the problem with you? Okay, understand. And change like a little darker on 3D. Go in two views, active camera, create a custom view. Okay, now orbit your like this according to the I want to orbit with this transform tool, rotate in X position like this 90-degree, rotate in 90-degree. Now yeah, that's clear. Now add any text, just like previous class, add a text WDM 3D and on the 3D in also text. Now our text is also visible, and first of all we need to orbit it like this. Trust me guys, custom view is more versatile, more suitable, more feel good. Now press P in your text layer and adjust the position like this. Wait, I wanna change my text font. This, oh shit, that's weird, guys. This, yeah. Alright, our text color is changed, and also I wanna change the text little darker. Okay, now everything is ready, and adjust our text. Press Shift plus S for scale up and scale down your text like this, and go in front view, and here you can show this is our shape layer and this is a text. Here we can show how much we wanna. Okay, everything's fine now. A little bit here we can also see from here. Everything is ready, guys. We need to just add a light, and right click, go in new, and here we can add light. Where is light? Here. Okay, I'm going with point light. First of all, point light and color is white. Point light and color is white. Wow, that's a song. Point light is color is of white. Point light is a color of white. By the way, again come back in topic. This is our light, and what is if I off? Look at this. You can clearly visible and how it works. Point light is actually a light, guys, just like sun. It's very powerful, and we can also adjust our light like this. If we go in downward, if we go upward like this, we can show here, and I wanna just decrease the intensity of light a little bit, just like this. Okay, and also add another light. That's not a point, that's a spotlight, and add. Trust me guys, spotlight is way more powerful. We just need to add in backward. How we can add? Plus R, and now rotate it 90-degree. Oh sorry, 180. We wanna rotate it 180-degree, and we can now adjust our light position from here. My laptop goes little bit harder because he feel hey, what's happening? Why you turn off? We just need to turn like this. We can show here a spotlight like this, and I want a bit alright guys, adjust our light like this. Light is spotting from inside and goes in upward. Look at this, just like, and here we can also adjust in position and go in rotation tool and now adjust it like this. Now ready. And if we switch in default camera view and in custom view, we can so here our lighting setup are regime. Select a single view, and resolution. Now our lightning setup are ready. Alright guys, we completed 3D lightning setup in After Effects, and in next class we are going to cover out cinematic lightning setup. That means 3-phase lightning setup. Okay, bye bye, tata, see you, sayonara.